What is up, YouTube? We are back. Now today I'm going to be doing an install. I should turn some lights on because we are lacking light. You always lack light. And so, yeah, it's a nice day. It's not too warm out. We're just comfortable in our t-shirt. There it is. It's in the car. It's got everything. So I got help that showed up. Look at that. Look at the help that showed up. Look at the help that showed up. It's amazing. That's awesome. I don't know if it's his though, or if it's his parents. Is it yours or is it your parents? It's your parents. Do you pay the insurance and the plates on it?
Nope, but I pay the mods.
Oh shit, for real? Alright. Here we go.
A few moments later, a few inches later, 2 hours later, 1 eternity later.
Taking so long. Okay, the flex plate is inside the transmission. So if you lower it, maybe we'll be able to wiggle it onto its mounts. Nice and slow. Okay, whoa, that's enough. That's enough! Thank you. I should have thrown some transmission fluid on the ground. I'm moving it forward. Is it on? Nope. Now. Okay. Align to its mounts. Ah, this bullshit. Okay. Lift it up. It needs to go left.
It needs to go left.
It needs to go passenger side.
Okay.
It needs to rock. It's not level. Ah.
You mean that?
They need to lift it up and move the hoist slightly to the left. Or slightly to the right. I don't know.
I think it's right.
Okay. Keep going up.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Stop going up. Are you still going up?
No.
Okay, this header is in the speed. And now it's not.
Oh, oui, continue à faire ça.
Oui, hein?
Tu veux-tu que j'aille en dessous?
À bout de bras.
Attends, moi, y aller en dessous. Moi, y aller, moi, toi, viens me pousser.
Wait, I got an idea.
No, because that works.
I got a
Dude, you
better
had it.
idea.
You had it.
Okay, I was having it, but now I'm gonna have it. Wait,
Wait. I need to you listen when I say wait.
Am I shorting? Ow! That's my job.
Okay, use your hand. Come on, you go to the gym for a fucking reason.
I don't go to the gym. That's the problem.
Okay, hold.
Lower it. Grab whatever bolt you see and stick it in the hole. Put it in. Put a bolt in. Where? Behind you, in the staircase. There's long bolts.
Got it.
Stick it in. Come on, keep wiggling it. Yes, okay, there. Just stick it in. Leave it there. Leave it there. Okay, the engine mount bolt is near the distributor on the foot of the windshield. They're very, very large bolts.
Very large, long.
Yeah. Alright, going in. Keep going up. Keep going. Oh, okay, we're good. Where's the nut? You see, I can barely get my hands.
It's right here. There's two of them.
These nuts are going to fit.
Okay, go. Heads up.
Non, ma main, t'as pas dessus. Yo! It's in! J'ai eu de l'aide. He's gone already. Il travaille à comme 3 demain matin. Mais c'était Phil du programme anglophone. Il est venu avec sa Mustang. His car sounded really good.
May I take a picture?
Yeah, it's in.
Smile, bitch.
I have to be in it? I'm
Yeah.
good with that. Tu vois, tantôt je filme pour ma YouTube channel.
Ouais, pis?
Ben, la caméra est là.
Est-ce que les spotlights, mon gars?
Ouais, ça va bien, hein?
Ah,
Je vais les éteindre, là. Tu vas voir que ça travaille crispement bien avec des spotlights, man. Ah, regarde en dessous du char. Look at how dark it is under the car. Look at how bright it is.
Ton starter?
Ouais, il a fallu que je l'enlève pour le drop-in parce qu'il cognait en transmission.
Tu stable ou je peux comme à côté?
Ouais, tout à fait. En fait, en ce moment, il y a comme un peu de stress.
Fait que tout enlevé, là.
Non.
Ben, t'as enlevé le...
Ah, le radiator,
T'as tout enlevé,
support qui est là. Ouais, tout ça parce que sinon, si tu
Ouais.
nages dedans, oublie ça, ton radiateur
Ouais.
est fini. Ma fan neuve est là.
C'est vrai, ta femme. Ouais, c'était deux femmes, non? Une femme?
Mais. What is up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning into this video. It's a little long, and I don't really talk to the camera that much, so I thought I'd give you a few seconds. Now, this video was actually filmed last year in June at the start of summer, and I was just installing the engine, and I want to say thank you to Phil who came out to help me. Thank you very much, Phil. Your help was much needed, much appreciated, and the job just went so much better. Thank you, Kevin, for stopping by after. Kevin, unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, fortunately, is in university. So he was in university at that point. Yes, in June he was taking summer courses. So shout out to Kevin for stopping by. And these are the first people that actually got to like drive the car. So as a note of appreciation to them. So thank you to you two. I'm wearing the beer short. Why? Because it's comfortable when you're sitting down and editing. And honestly, this was done on the corner of my desk late night. I thought I'd slap something together. And no, it's not my best work, but I'm fine with it. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for tuning in. This has been Trinity72 on the Trinity72 YouTube channel. And I will talk to you later. Have a great night.